I hear a lot from people that they're sitting in the audience and they're in a meeting, or there's some reason that they want to ask a question but they hesitate. They're afraid that they're going to look silly, the question's not going to be answered in a way that makes them look good. There's some reason that they hold themselves back from raising their hand and simply asking the question. Partly maybe because they don't want the attention. They don't want to be in the spotlight, because that is true. You're in the spotlight for a few minutes when the microphone comes around to you and you have to speak it to ask your question. But sometimes people also feel like, is my question even valuable? And will people think I don't really have a good question? So what I'd like to say about that is, my goodness, if you have a question, it's your question. And if you could get an answer, how great would that be if it's a real question for you? So I would say trust. Trust yourself that you can ask a question, it can be answered, and it's only for you. It's not for the other people, it's for you. Anyway, so I can give you some more hints on how to be comfortable expressing yourself in public, asking those questions. Find me at Doreen7steps.com.